This video is going to help you be able to navigate Miss Collins' 7th grade math or 8th grade math Canvas page. So, right when you log on to Canvas, you're on the home page. On the home page, you have 3 resources. You have the agenda, you have the class resources, and you have my contact information. So if you ever need to get a hold of me, you can go to the contact. In the contact, it has my email, which you can click and then email me. It has my phone number with my extension and the hours in which I can be reached that I am not teaching. If you go back to the home page, you're brought back to the agenda and class resources and contact page. In the class resources, we have some resources that your child or the student can use. Okay. Also, my classroom management plan is there, and for students, the counselor request form or the Chromebook help ticket. Okay, so if anything's ever wrong with the Chromebook, they can submit a ticket, and that will be sent to our library, our media center, which will then hopefully get the computer fixed. If we go back to home, we have the agenda. Okay, the agenda is where everything material-wise is located. So if we click on agenda, it gives you a calendar or the outlook of each month. Okay, so this is August. So from here, each day, whatever day it is, the kid or student will come and so today is the 19th of August, so come to August 19th, click on it, and we are in Unit 2, Integers Material for 7th grade. So, as you can see on the far left side, it has the date that we do the lesson. Anything under Quick Check will be put into the grade book as a practice grade. So it will go in the 10% category if I put it in the grade book. Okay, then we have the lessons, and then the notes, and then the video. The notes are blank notes for the day, just in case they want to print them out, or as a parent, if you know your child's going to be absent and you can print them out, you can print them out before, so when they watch the video, it will follow along with the notes. Okay, all notes and videos match up. So, for example, today in 7th grade, we were doing adding and subtracting. We did a quick check first. Then we did adding and subtracting integers. And then there's 2 pages. The first page was a quick little, was the notes for the day. So, if you want to print these out, you can. And then, if you click the video, it would be me going through those same exact notes. So just in case if a student is absent, they'll be able to watch the notes and stay up to date on everything that is going on. Because it is the student's responsibility to stay on be able to stay on task when absent and be able to have all that material, so when they get back, they can go and they can start doing it and catching up. If any of the quick checks are on paper, I'm going to go back to that. If any of the quick checks are on paper, like this one is, okay, if you are not at school and can't turn it in to me, then you'll just do it on a separate sheet of paper. They can always take a picture of it on their webcam if I can see it clearly, and they can send it through me through email, or there is an app called Genius Scan that I highly recommend. It takes very clear photos, and you can download Genius app on your cellular device to take a photo if you have one. So that is the basics of my Canvas. Over here on the left side, it also says modules and assignments. If you click on modules, it will just have the modules that we have done. So we have already done Unit 1 number sense, and we're in Unit 2 integers. The number sense materials has, when it says materials, it has all the stuff for that unit. Okay, everything for Unit 2 is located in Unit 2 integers. Okay, so it's a one-stop shop right there. Under assignments, that's a quick way to get to assignments to do them if they need to. But I usually tell the students to just go through the agenda, go to today's date, and if there's an assignment they can do, then they'll be able to click on it. If you have any other questions on how to navigate my Canvas page, whether you're an observer or you're a student, please make sure you contact me. I will be more than happy to help. Bye!